To change Zelle from a debit card to a bank account, start by opening the Zelle app on your mobile device. If you have not already, you will need to enroll with Zelle, which typically involves providing your mobile number or email address and creating a password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings or Profile section, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Look for the option to manage your payment methods. This may be under a submenu such as Account or Payment Methods. Select the debit card you currently have linked to Zelle and choose the option to remove or replace it. You may be prompted to confirm that you want to remove this payment method. Select Yes to proceed. Next, you will need to add your bank account as a new payment method. You will typically need to provide the routing number and account number for your bank account. You can usually find this information on a check or by logging into your online banking. Enter the required information carefully, as incorrect details may result in failed transactions or delays. Zelle may also send a small verification deposit to your bank account, which you will need to confirm to complete the setup process. Once your bank account is linked, it should be available as a payment method in the Zelle app. Make sure to review and agree to any terms and conditions before completing the setup. It is also a good idea to test your new payment method by sending a small amount of money to yourself or a trusted recipient. This will help ensure that everything is working correctly and give you confidence in using your bank account with Zelle. By following these steps, you can easily switch from using a debit card to a bank account on Zelle, providing you with more flexibility and convenience when sending and receiving money.